metal handheld shower head has seriously leveled up our shower game. Not just sleek and stylish, this beauty comes loaded with extras that make a real difference. From the extra spa head to an extra long hose for max flexibility so convenient for rinsing, and a super sturdy mount that stays put, this shower head checks all the boxes. So worth it.
Time won't wait for anyone. Dance like morning's just begun. Dancing